How to change your text size on WeChat app. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change your text size on WeChat app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch the WeChat app on your device and go ahead and access your home section or simply the chat section. From here, tap on Me button at bottom right corner and access the settings option. Now choose General and under Other you will see the text size. Simply tap to access that. Here you can easily see the preview of the current text size. In order to change your text size, you can easily use the slider which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Drag the slider to the right to increase the text size or to the left in order to decrease the text size. Once you have adjusted the text size to your preference, tap the down button at top right corner to save the changes and tap on OK button. So restart WeChat to use the new text size. So with that, you have successfully changed your text size on the WeChat app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.